Hey everybody, welcome to my hackathon presentation. My name is Akshay, and my domains I've gotten for this hackathon was mobile development and privacy. So here is what happens when you mix both of them. So you get Privacy Ninja. So it's an Android application that I've built with Kotlin. It mainly focuses on getting the user the information that has been hidden from them. That is basically what happens under the hood. So I have a couple of features over here, like a good set of features that powers the application. And yeah, let's get to the demo. So here's Android Studio for your reference, and let's get the app started. Um, Yep, cool. So yeah, so this is the application that you see over here. When I click on it, it opens up. So you're greeted by a beautiful UI that is privacy dashboard. So this is a privacy score that has been calculated by all the apps that are present and all the permissions that are being taken by them. And it accumulates that and I give it a score. And I'll be able to see the network it's being connected to, and it's recognized as a suspicious app. And yeah, let's get to the network ninja. So network ninja basically will be able to identify a lot of things. So we'll get into that. If I just grant the permission, it's going to check and it's going to show up all the Wi-Fi networks that are being around me. These are all the Wi-Fi networks around me. So I'll go to my own network. As you can see here, it shows your signal strength and your privacy rating. How this works is I've also given privacy like rating like 57% and stuff. So all these Wi-Fi networks will have a rating based on both of their privacy rating and the signal strength. You'll also be able to see which frequency they run and which channel they're being routed into. Yeah, so this is not just for the connected Wi-Fi. Even for any unconnected Wi-Fi, you will be able to see basic protocols that are being present with them. And here is the permission patrol. So yeah, as you can see, here is the app that has been flagged by my application, because why does a calculator require location access? Rest all is I've taken off the grant so it doesn't show up, but most of the Xiaomi applications will show up over here. So this application also show you all the permissions that are being granted, so the user can just go through here without going into a lot of internal settings and stuff, because usually that's what happens, right? For you to get all this information, you have to dig in so much into settings that you totally forget why you went there. So this is present for all the applications, let's say even Instagram for a matter. You'll be able to see all the permission that are being tracked by them, so you'll get a better understanding of what actually is happening. Next, let's get to the stealth mode. So here is where you'll be able to enable your VPN service. Let's go over here and it's going to take you to a VPN. So here I've taken Proton VPN. I'll just connect, and once it's connected, it's switched on, right? So I can go back to my application and switch it on. So what this will aim to do is will be able to remove all the trackers that are being done, and here is the DNS setting. So here the app will be able to show all the different DNS providers that are recommended. So you can take Cloudflare for instance. So they are very good for privacy oriented. So once the user hit continue, he'll be greeted to his settings, the internal DNS settings, and he'll be able to go here and get a private thing and go ahead. So here I have some issues going on with my Xiaomi device. I'm not sure why it's not working properly, but it should work when I've tested with other devices. Yeah. So also there's another thing that will be able to cut off your sensors and mic. So if you see here again, since it's a Xiaomi device, I have a lot of restrictions. I'm not able to actually play around a lot, but I have implemented for other devices as well. So yeah, so this is what is kind of buggy in my app, but then yeah. So this takes me back to my website. Yep, cool. So as you can see here, it gets updated that the VPN is on and the stealth mode is also on. So security is 100%. Well, we can see here, if you go ahead, you can also disable the VPN from here or anything. And yeah, so you'll be able to see all the information for any application, all the permissions that are being granted, and you'll get a fundamental understanding of what actually is happening. So yeah, so this is what is my application. Thank you.